Where are they now? What is their dream, especially in matters football in Kenya? And now, let's begin with the first story here. Hellen Obiri, the 2024 Olympic bronze medalist, Hellen Obiri has been preparing for the Boston Marathon that is said to happen on 21st of April in Boston, the USA. Obiri says she has been in Kenya because of the weather, and she believes she is going to do to write history for the first time because she will be the first Kenyan to ever win the Boston Marathon 3 times in a row if she wins this one. And she'll go to history as the 4th woman to have ever done so before. At Vapor Grounds in Ngong, Kajiado County, athletes are busy sharpening their arsenals. Among them is 2-time Boston Marathon champion Hellen Obiri. She is getting ready for a 3rd stab.
So far, so good. My preparation imekuwa vizuri. Sijapata any challenges. Of course, like tunaona siku sinakimbia. I can't say like I'm 100%. So for me, I can say I'm 70%. That remaining. So for that third, hiyo masiku imebaki nitakuwa niko physically fit.
The 2024 Olympic Marathon bronze medalist made a decision to train in Kenya for 2 months before the Boston Marathon.
Nilisema wacha nikuje nyumbani kidogo sababu tulikuwa na mbio zetu za cross country ambayo nilikuja kuparticipate. After that nikasema wacha nikaa hapa kidogo sababu huko tukiangalia saa hii ni baridi na kuna snow of which you can't train so well. Sometimes you skip for you to go for the training. So for me being here, it's an opportunity. And in terms of my training mates, barabara hapa kuna senya nafanya siku kama Boston, of which sinasaidia ku prepare so well to Boston.
Determined to break the barrier and make history, Obiri has her eyes on Boston Marathon prize.
You know, ukienda huko umewin Boston mara mbili. So many people, they have been watching you, wanaangalia like, can you win the title? Of course, niko na pressure. Sometimes we have so many elite athletes there. We have strong field there. There are some Ethiopians, there are some Kenyans. So me is to go there. And you know, a marathon, anything can happen. In the marathon, what needs to be patient. So for me, naenda kukimbia huko my own race. And huwa naangalia vizuri. And I'm preparing so well to defend my title over there.
Beyond Boston, Obiri is determined to make the cut for the World Championship set for Tokyo, Japan later in the year. Obiri, a 2-time 5,000-meter world champion, will be seeking to join the only 4 other women who have won the Boston race 3 times in a row. Of course, we wish her all the best.